What is being observed is that the web browser market is experiencing its most significant transformation in 2 decades. After years of relative stability dominated by a handful of established players, artificial intelligence companies are now entering the space with products designed to fundamentally change how the users interact with internet. The reason that we wanted to talk to you about this and focus on this is because this shift represents not merely an incremental upgrade, but it has the potential to define the browser as a platform. Let's first start with the new entrants and the strategic motivations out here. Now, several AI focused companies have recently launched or announced browser products. OpenAI has introduced Atlas, Perplexity has developed Comet. Microsoft has significantly enhanced its Edge browser with integrated Copilot capabilities. Each of these entrants brings different strategic objectives to the market, though they share a common thesis that AI integration will become central to the browsing experience. For the AI companies, browsers offer compelling advantages. Direct access to users reduces dependence on third party platforms and creates opportunities for deeper engagement. The browser also serves as a natural collection point for user interaction data, which can inform model development and improvement. Perhaps most significantly, browsers are positioned to become the primary interface through which the AI agents operate. Automated systems capable of performing tasks like booking travel, managing schedules, or completing purchases on behalf of the users. Now, with this context, let's see what the competitive landscape is like. It should come as no surprise to anyone that Google maintains a dominant position in the browser market, with estimates placing Chrome's global market share at above 60%. The company has also moved to integrate its Gemini AI models into Chrome while also developing new features designed to leverage AI capabilities. Recent launches include tools that enable users to transform open browser tabs into interactive applications, representing an expansion of what browsers can accomplish. This incumbent challenge presents a substantial challenge for the new entrants. Browser switching involves significant friction for the users who have accumulated bookmarks, passwords, extensions, and browsing habits over many years. Industry analysts have noted that AI capabilities alone may not provide sufficient differentiation to overcome these switching costs, particularly when the incumbent is simultaneously adding AI features to its own products also. Switching costs aside, we also have the data practices and the privacy considerations. The integration of AI into the browsers raises important questions about data collection and privacy. Different companies have adopted different approaches. Google has stated that it uses Gemini conversations for model training, but it does not harvest web page content from browser sessions with personal information removed from the browsing data. OpenAI has indicated that Atlas will follow existing ChatGPT training settings, with data collection being opt in and subject to privacy filters. Microsoft has also similarly described its AI features as opt in regarding data sharing. Now,